the average of 6 numbers is 55. When a 7th number is added, the average of the 7 numbers becomes 64. What is the 7th number? So as you can see, for 6 numbers, average is already 55. For 7 numbers, average went up. So definitely the 7th number must be greater than 55. Okay, so what we do is this: we can find the whole total first, which is 6 times 55. Remember, the TAN diagram, total is average times number. Average times number. Okay, so the whole total is 6 numbers, average was 55. So 6 times 55, 330. And then there's a new total that we can find. That will be 7 times 64. 7 numbers, average is now 64. 448. So the difference between the old total and the new total will actually be because of the 7th number. So the 7th number will be equals to 448 minus 330. 118 is our answer for this question.